Welcome to Best Western University Inn, your premier destination in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Experience unmatched comfort in our well-appointed rooms, designed to make you feel right at home. Take a refreshing dip in our sparkling outdoor pool, or unwind on our spacious patio, surrounded by lush greenery. Start your day right with our complimentary breakfast, featuring a mouth-watering selection of fresh and hot dishes. Our well-appointed rooms offer a relaxing retreat. Enjoy modern amenities like flat-screen TVs and free Wi-Fi for seamless connectivity. Explore the vibrant city of Tuscaloosa. Stay moments away from the University of Alabama campus, the iconic Bryant Denny Stadium, and the picturesque Tuscaloosa Riverwalk. Don't miss the historical significance of Foster Auditorium and the excitement of Coleman Coliseum, along with other basketball, baseball, and sports stadiums. Discover the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and attractions at Best Western University Inn. Book your stay today. Visit us at www.bwuniversityintuscaloosa.com.